There's a kind of day that doesn't announce itself. Tuesday, Lunar Month 4, Day 3. The snake sits quietly in the corner of the calendar, not asking for attention. And maybe that's the whole point. I was reading the old reminders this morning, the ones that sound like a grumpy uncle who's seen too many roofs collapse. Don't rush to cover a house today. Be careful drawing water. It's not superstition really. It's just pattern recognition dressed up in poetry. Carelessness is where problems start. Speed is where they finish. There's something almost funny about how specific the advice gets. Seal the gaps. Deal with the ants. Don't plan a wedding. Don't move a grave. The universe, apparently, has strong opinions about Tuesday real estate and pest control. But underneath all that, the message is surprisingly tender. The goal is not a sprint, it's a pace you can hold. That line landed differently this morning. I've been sprinting toward things I can't even name lately. Deadlines that dissolve, worries that rearrange themselves into new shapes the moment I solve the old ones. So I made the porridge, lotus seed, and foxnut. It sounds like something a forest spirit would eat, but it tastes like simplicity, cooling, grounding, a small rebellion against the heat of the day and the heat of my own head. The evening's suggestion was a breezy walk, not a power walk, not a step count competition, just movement with air on your skin. I went. The wind did what wind does. It didn't solve anything, but it reminded me that not everything needs solving. Earlier night, slower morning, warm water on tired feet. These aren't life hacks. They're just ways of being kind to a body that's been carrying a mind that won't shut up. Some days ask you to build, some days ask you to rest, and some days like this one just ask you to stop pretending you know the difference.